Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of CapCut. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can update your app as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by liking.